Hi everybody, this is Cassidy's room here, and this is little Cassidy. And this is Cassidy's first big blizzard. So as you can see, it's been snowing for quite a bit outside, and we've got all sorts of crazy snow. See that, Cassidy? Look at all the snow out there. Look at it. It's a blizzard. Wow. That's just crazy. Let's see. I want to get a good look. Look out there, Mommy. See all the snow down there? You can see all sorts of crazy people. And look out in the parking lot. And out there in the little kiddie park. It's all covered with snow. It's crazy. Cassie's never seen snow. I think she wants to get a good look here. Good. You want to take a good look? Wow, it's just amazing. Look at it, Cassidy. You see the snow? It's a whoa, shit, whoa, oh! Oh my God, honey, quick! Keep it running. Oh my God, honey! What did you do? Oh, Cassidy! Oh my God! She's gonna live. She's going to live. The blizzard of 2006. Yes, she will. Good girl.